In this Pitivi tutorial, I will show you how to color correct a video clip. I've assumed you have a basic understanding of editing in Pitivi. A link to my beginner's tutorial is included in the description below for those that don't. Other tutorials can be found in my playlists. Okay, well I brought this clip into Pitivi and I've also placed it in the timeline. And as you can see, the video is very blue. Most of the problems with the color on videos is to do with the white balance, and this usually happens because of bad lighting conditions or bad setups in the camera. And you'll see people mucking around with 3-point color balances and things like that, which have their place but are quite complicated to use and really are unnecessary when it comes to a basic sort of color correction. So all I'm going to do is come over to the effects library here, and what I'm looking for is, if you come down to the very bottom, you're looking in the W section. What you're looking for is white balance. Drag this over the video clip and you'll get these settings come up here, and you can start playing around with the settings. I won't do anything with the green tint, but basically your video will be different to mine obviously, but start reducing the neutral green. This will say neutral G. Just start reducing it down slightly and do the same with the red. And I don't think I can do much better than that with this particular one. Perhaps it's a little bit, maybe a bit more. Let's take this down. Oops, gone the wrong way. Yeah, that's probably about as good as I'm gonna get. So obviously that's a huge improvement over the original. So that's all there is to it really. You can play around with this green tint, and I would just play around with these settings until you get a reasonably suitable or as good as you're going to get video clip, and then go ahead and render it. So hopefully that's helped somebody. Thank you for watching. Cheers.